How to fix delay in OBS. I am going to show you how you can easily fix delays in OBS. First, check your hardware. Ensure your computer meets the system requirements for OBS. A powerful CPU and sufficient RAM are important for smooth streaming. Lower the video's bitrate. A high bitrate can cause delays if your internet connection can't handle it. Reducing the bitrate can help maintain a steady stream. Go to File, then Settings, and choose Output. Find the streaming section. Click on Video Bitrate and either scroll or select the desired bitrate. This adjustment can help improve the stream's performance. Check your security and firewall software. Sometimes these can interfere with OBS. Make sure OBS is allowed through your firewall and any security software. Switch to a stable network. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial. If possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Wired connections are generally more reliable and can reduce latency. Change OBS settings. Adjusting the frame rate and resolution can also help. Lowering the frame rate and resolution reduces the amount of data being processed and sent over the internet. Close unnecessary processes and flush the DNS cache. Closing other programs that are using significant system resources can free up memory and CPU power for OBS. Flushing the DNS cache can resolve network issues that might be causing delays. Sometimes simply restarting the software can resolve issues. It refreshes the program and can clear temporary bugs or glitches. Finally, update your driver. Make sure all your drivers, especially your graphics card driver, are up to date. Updated drivers can enhance performance and compatibility with OBS.